Hey guys, in this video, I'd be delighted to demonstrate one of my preferred trend following strategies. Please navigate to the Indicators tab and search for UTBot Alerts. Once you locate it, you'll find UTBot Alerts by Quantum Nomad. This particular indicator is renowned for generating exceptional buy and sell signals. Kindly add it to your chart to witness its remarkable performance. And in order to make these buy and sell signals even more high accurate, to optimize its functionality, we'll need to modify a few settings. Let's proceed with making the necessary adjustments. So you go to the settings of the indicator and here under Inputs, you change the ATR period from 10 to 11. After you click OK. One thing we can see immediately here is that this buy and sell signals work only if we are trading in a strong trend. For example, here we have this downtrend, and as you can see here, the sell signals are most accurate, but we have a lot of false buy signals. That's why we will need another indicator to evaluate the trend. You go to the Indicators tab and type in Smooth High Ganesh Candles. Then you will see here the Smooth High Ganesh Candles version 1 by Jack M.K. You add it to your chart. Now we need to optimize this indicator as well. You go to the settings and here under Inputs, you change the true length from 10 to 12. Then you click OK. This indicator will help us identify the long-term trend. As you can see here, we have these Heikin-Ashi candles which are green and red. Every time we are in a downtrend, the Heikin-Ashi candles are red, and so we are taking only sell positions here. We are ignoring the false buy signals, as you can see. The other way, if they are green, we are taking only the buy positions. And in this way, we can already avoid a lot of false signals, but it's still not enough because especially when the market is going sideways, we cannot avoid a lot of other false signals by just looking at the high kinase candles. I found a very interesting indicator which will help us detect this range in markets and make our strategy even more profitable. So you go to the Indicators tab and type in Trend Type Indicator. Then you will see here the Trend Type Indicator. Then you will see here the Trend Type Indicator, which is an added to speak, and as I said, very interesting. You add it to your chart. Now, let's optimize this indicator. Go to the settings. Here, first of all, you change the ATR length from 14 to 15. Then we will increase the ATR moving average length from 20 to 22. Then the ADX smoothing to 15 and the DI length through 15. Now you click OK. What this indicator is basically doing is classifying the trend based on different technical analysis indicator. As you can see here, we have three different areas, the green, gray and red, which stand for up, sideways and downtrend. This will help us stay away of sideways markets and therefore also improve the accuracy of our signals. Whenever the indicator is showing us that we are in a ranging market, like here in this area, for example, we're not going to take any trade. And this way here, we would have avoided all the signals here in this ranging market, which is really good. And now let's take a closer look on how you can trade with all these indicators. I'm going to show you another indicator in the end, but now let me explain you how you can use these three indicators here. So we are here in this downtrend. You can see that the Heikin-Ashi candles are red, and then we have a lot of sell signals to consider here, but we're going to take only the sell signals which are confirmed by the trend type indicator. For example, we have this sell signal here, and as you can see, the Heikin-Ashi candles are red, and we also have a jump into the downtrend area from the trend type indicator. So we could take a short position from here, and let me show you. If we would take a short position here, we can set our stop loss to the latest swing high, which will be approximately right here. And then we have two possibilities. We either set our target to a 1.5% risk-reward ratio, which would be hit immediately here in this candle, or we can also do something like a trailing stop. And ideally, we would have another indicator to check the support and resistance levels that we can use to set our take profit targets. And that's why I want to show you another indicator. So you go to the Indicators tab and type in Jargons. We will be using the Jargon key levels to detect relevant areas of support and resistance. This indicator here is really pretty. It's also an added to your chart. As you can see here, this indicator is basically drawing potential levels of support and resistance, which are also based on the liquidity, so it takes the volume into consideration. Before I show you how you can use it to define your levels, let's optimize the settings. You go to the settings and under inputs, we're going to change the look left period from 20 to 25. Then we change the look right period from 15 to 17. The number of pivots we increase to 5. Then we increase the ATR length to 32. Now we have our setup for this indicator. Now you click OK. Now let me show you how you can use this indicator to define your potential levels of support and resistance. The way we're going to do it is just by checking the previous price action. As you can see here, we have a lot of support and resistance levels that we can use as potential take profit levels for our trade. Let's take this short position I mentioned before. Just an example here. If I would enter a sell position from here, I would be definitely considered this zone here, for example. Let me draw a rectangle. As you can see here, we have this potential level, which is pretty accurate. If you look at the price action here, and then you can see that the price goes straight to this area. Then we have also this one here, which is also scenic accurate. We could also use it as our second stake profit level. If we look further back into the price action, we will find other zones here like this one that we could also extend to our trade and use it as another potential exit level. In this way here, we can do some a trading stop, or we can just take profits on these three levels. And trading in this way, we are not only identifying the long-term trend with the Heiken Ashi candles, we are also taking a look at sideways markets, which are very dangerous if you are trading, because we will get a lot of false signals. And that's the strategy one wanted to show you guys. Some more example look here. Can you see here, confirm signal? You can on-trade the short trade and easily achieve the target. And one very important thing, when you use this indicator on 5-minute or 15-minute time frame, then your stop loss will be very small. So it may be that the broker you use, they provide you very high spread, due to which your chances of hitting the stop loss will be high. So I would request you to use IC Market, which will provide you zero spread, and you will be able to execute pinpoint trades in market. Link in a description on this video. Join now. Please make sure to like the video if it was useful for you, and also subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell icon for more update. And that's precisely why I established this platform, to offer you my complimentary technical analysis, aiming to assist you in making more informed trading decisions. See you soon, take care, bye. Thanks for watching our video.